Today we'll be building the Sunshine table. With your Sunshine table, you'll receive the tabletop, 3 legs, the central diagonal hinge, the center plug, and a bag of fixings. With your Sunshine table kit, you'll be receiving 3 bolts, 6 washers, 3 torque drive screws, a torque drive bit. You'll be needing a 13mm spanner and a screwdriver. Place the tabletop on your workbench and take the central diagonal hinge. Select a bolt and put a washer on it. Pick your first leg, put the bolt through it, and make sure you put the washer on the other side of the leg. When offering these up, make sure that all the legs are facing in the same direction as they are offered onto the hinge. Here we are with the second one, making sure that the bevel faces the same way. Once you've attached all 3, use a spanner to tighten them up, but ensure that they still swing. Pick it up while supporting all 3 legs. Offer them slowly onto the subframe of the table. These will notch up quite nicely, slightly off center, and then you fix them. Make sure you don't screw in too far, as this may split the wood. Now repeat the process all the way round on each leg, taking due care. Pepe Garden furniture is pressure treated. This process can leave batten marks, as you see here, but they weather in over time. We recommend that you use the furniture protector provided with every kit in ½ litre, 1 litre or 2.5 litre tins, depending on the size of the item. This should be applied every 2 to 3 years, depending on exposure, evenly to the outside. Concentrate a little bit more on the end grains and the end of the legs for this darker finish. So there you have it, the Sunshine table finished. Now all you need is some chairs and some sunshine.